Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use these templates to describe all pie charts in PTE Describe Image. If you have seen this video right here, yes, you're right. This is the same template with just a few variations. I upload video every week about PTE preparation, so if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Now let's get into it. This is a typical pie chart in PTE Describe Image. There are three parts to the template: the beginning, the body, and the conclusion. We want to say two sentences for the beginning, one to cover off the title, the other to cover off the items. Once you remember this template, it will be like reading straight off the screen. No thinking is required, and that's perfect for maintaining your oral fluency. So for this graph, I would say, this pie chart gives information about car ownership in Canada. The items include no car, one car, two cars, and more than two cars. For some graphs, you may have more than 4 items here. You only need to pick any 3 of the items. For example, for this pie graph, you can say the items include transport parts, machinery, metal products, and so on. Pick the word that you're most comfortable with. The important thing here is to maintain your oral fluency and pronunciation. Now let's move on to the body part of the template. During your preparation time, find the items that have the highest, the second highest, and the lowest proportion and use this structure. So for this graph, I would say, according to the graph, one car counts for the highest proportion, which is over 50% of the population, followed by 2 cars, which counts for the second highest proportion. In contrast, more than 2 cars counts for the lowest proportion, which is about 5% of the population. Notice here that I say 5% and there is no such label in the graph, and I could be wrong about that. The point here is that accuracy in your analysis is not important at all. You can make mistake. The machine scoring system in PT is good, but it still cannot judge human logic and the quality of your analysis. Even if you say 2 cars counts for the highest proportion, you won't be penalized as long as you maintain your fluency and pronunciation. Do not go back to correct yourself. Do not overanalyze the graph. Go with the most obvious points. Finally, conclusion. In conclusion, one thing that clearly stands out is that the majority of the Canadian population has 1 car. One thing that clearly stands out is that it's totally optional. It gives you a little bit of a cushion, that extra 4 to 5 seconds. If by the time you arrive at the conclusion, you still have more than 15 seconds left, you can use this long form. Otherwise, you can use the short form. In conclusion, the majority of the Canadian population has 1 car. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe and check out my other videos for PTE preparation. I'll see you in the next one.